chosen what? 2 date time. Are you clear or not, sir? Okay. We are good to go. Code base to convert from object to date time, data type. Date time what mean? Data type. Guys, yeah, today I have invited Charan, but so he is out of the station actually. Guys, one small suggestion. I don't know what kind of practice you are doing. Daily, minimum. So I'm telling this one daily, 1 hour practice required, 2 hours revision required. Then only you will get job. I'm sorry for linking with the job. In job link chesinanduku I'm sorry. Daily, can you tell me 1 hour practice? I mean to say everyday session is going on, 1 hour practice required. Your revision hours should be more than practice hours. Daniel, why? If you are doing keep on revision, if you trust me, if you are able to do like this 21 days actually, I believe that pattern. నాకు ఇష్టం. Do you need any new habit actually? Try for 21 days. In your lifetime, you never live that one actually. That is the best one. YouTube Reels, we already done 21 days. That's what we are habituated actually. అందుకు మనకు చూడడం అలవాటు అయిపోయింది. Right? So the point will be,
hello sir.
Read it loudly actually. You have to read, you have to practice. Almost 1 or 2 months we didn't practice. Till now we remembered actually. Till now we didn't forget the A to Z letters. What happened, revision. What is the pattern, man? Your brain, if your brain make it kind of some empty, if you keep on doing revision, you are not living actually. Brain will understand, this guy is not living actually. Let us, memorize this one. I hope I already told. Are you reading actually? మీరు చదువుతున్నారా? Yeah, Daniel. There are 2 copies actually. In your brain, 2 copies. 2 copies actually. 2 copies. First one is short memory. First one is for what exactly, short memory. అంటే కొంచెం సేపే గుర్తుంచుకుంటుంది. Next one is long memory. Next one is what mean? Long memory actually. Short memory. On an average, you can remember for 5 minutes. ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు గుర్తుంటుంది. Long memory. Do you want to remember actually? Revision helps here. Revision helps. Your computer also designed in the same way. Your computer having 2 types of memory. One is hard disk, next one is a RAM. Read access memory. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? సో వాట్ ఐ మీన్ టు సే దట్ ఈస్, రేదర్ దాన్ ప్రాక్టీస్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్? రివిజన్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎస్పెషల్లీ పైథాన్ అండ్ పాండాస్ మీరు ఎక్కువగా రివిజన్ చేయాలి. మీరు ఎంత రివిజన్ చేస్తే అంత మంచిది. ఐఎమ్ క్లోజింగ్ ద డిస్కషన్. ఆర్ యు విత్ మీ? ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దిస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. డూ మోర్ రివిజన్ to get a job. No response from online team. Online team, how are you, sir? Maybe can I show my face actually, since long we have seen, right? Let me talk with virtual. Camera is starting or not? Yeah. Online team, how are you? Can you look at the chart? Who can use group by? Yeah, good. Nice. Good to know. Online team. I don't know. I didn't see you, but I'm very interactive with offline session. But that's still okay. You guys registered for online actually. I request you. Practice helps you, man. Practice helps you. I'm again and again I'm talking. Weekly minimum, either you observed or not. At least one time I can give time. If you're not doing practice, I'm sorry. You wasted your money. Let me repeat again. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ కనుక చేయకపోతే మీరు మనీ వేస్ట్ చేశారు. ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ రెగ్యులర్ ప్రాక్టీషనర్ యాక్చువల్లీ? యా, గెట్ రెడీ, వెరీ సూన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఏ జాబ్. వెరీ సూన్. చాలా దగ్గరగా ఉన్నారు జాబ్ కి మీరు. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ స్కిప్ ద ప్రాక్టీస్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ 1 or 2 days యూ కెన్ స్కిప్ ద లంచ్ ఆర్ డిన్నర్, దట్స్ ఫైన్ ఫర్ మీ. అసలు పర్లేదు, మీరు తినడం ఆపినా పర్లేదు, ప్రాక్టీస్ మాత్రం అవ్వకూడదు. Daniel, how to do practice actually? ఎంత వరకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి? కెన్ యూ స్టాప్ బ్రీతింగ్ ఆపుతామా? దెన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ స్టాప్. ప్రాక్టీస్ కూడా మనం ఆపకూడదు. Especially revision. Especially what? Revision. I understand your feeling. Stop your overaction. I'm stopping actually. Closing the discussion. What is important? Chaptara? Practice. Please, man. Please do practice actually. ప్రాక్టీస్ దట్ టు ఒక డిసిప్లిన్ గా చేస్తే మీకు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పమంటారా? లెట్ మీ టెల్. Can I tell you one small, maybe I will not take much time. In a college, there is a topper. Second one will be kind of some, average student. Next one below average. Below what exactly, man? Average actual. Let me tell you, he also doing practice. He also doing practice. Average student also doing practice. Average student also doing practice actual. But let me tell you, he is giving some gaps. Occasionally he is doing. He also, good practice. No gap. But let me tell you, discipline practice actual. Discipline. What do you mean by discipline? He is not living. Always practice. Always what, man? Practice actually. Let me tell you, he became as a trainer. He became as what, man? Trainer. Either you believe or not, my category is this one. I am below average student. Either you believe or not. If I open my resume, you will laugh actual. By looking at my 10th class records, intermediate, MCA, graduation. Daniel, నువ్వు చెప్పేదానికి నీ మార్క్స్ కి సంబంధం లేదంటే, సార్, academic is just a piece of paper. But I am very good in discipline in terms of practice. Practice lo, trust me, I am a master actually. In my college topper, he is working in company. He is not a trainer.
Comfortable.
Before me, who are all available, they are working in companies, different companies. Nobody is a trainer. Daniel is a trainer. Why? Because I am very good discipline in terms of, that's it. You should never live actually. మనం పట్టుకున్న దాన్ని గట్టిగా, you have to do practice. Close the discussion. Are you clear? Make a note on this one. Doesn't matter at all. Either you are a topper or average student or below average student who holds the discipline very strongly, they will rule the market actually. వాళ్ళు మంచి పొజిషన్కి వెళ్తారు. Closing the discussion. He became as a trainer. Trust me. This is one of my story actually. So the name is Daniel. Make a note. I believe only what exactly, man? Discipline and discipline in the sense, మనం ఇలా చేతులు కట్టుకుని నిలబడడం, మంచిగా మాట్లాడడం అది కాదు. ప్రాక్టీస్ డిసిప్లిన్. Daily. There are some specific time. Per day, daily, minimum 1.5 hours, I need to do practice at any cost. Though even if I have a fever, it doesn't matter. జ్వరం వచ్చినా ఏదొచ్చినా సరే ప్రాక్టీస్ మీన్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్. దట్స్ ఇట్. మండే లేదు, సండే లేదు, అలా చేసాను సార్ నేను. ఐ డోంట్ లైక్ దట్ యాక్చువల్. మనం చేసే ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎవరికి కనిపించదు. నో బడీ నెవర్ సీ మన వన్స్ యూ కేమ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ, యూ స్టార్టెడ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్, పీపుల్ విల్ లిజన్. అరే మ్యాన్, హీఈస్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ యాక్చువల్. ప్రాక్టీస్ హెల్ప్స్ యూ. Practice. Move on. Okay, Daniel. Where are we? So where are we? So these are all maybe not required for you. I can move on here. Yeah. Did I run this cell? Seems to be no. I need to run, I guess. No, I didn't run. Let's capture this. Let's what exactly, man? Capture this. Can I ask a question? Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. There are few points you have to be noted. Adding a column, right? If column name is already existing, yeah, old values will be replaced with new value. If column name is a new, then what happen? New column will be added. New column will be added. Though in this scenario, column name is already existing, old values will be replaced with. Let us run this cell actually. Sir, total 5 lakhs plus values. It is going to be convert actually. Make a note on this. Okay. Make a note on this. Make a note on this. Are you clear? Here there is one small important point actually. Small check. What is that check, No missing values here. Chappan sir? No. Unfortunately, this column having missing value. How to handle any idea? Okay. Imagine. Come again. Sir, excellent. Very good point actually. Excellent. The point is, yeah, you can go for a drop in here. You can go for what, Sarji? A drop in here. I don't want to lose the data. If the date time values are missing value, errors equals to queries you can apply. Please make a note. We covered actually. These are all scenarios we covered. When you can connect it, మీకు ఎప్పుడు అర్థం అవుతుందంటే if you really done practice of previous chapter, what I'm talking you can connect actually. You can connect. Okay. Let's take this one. I need to highlight that point also. First of all, good practice, Sarji. Yeah, man. Just try to see. Yeah, all values formatted actually. There is one kind note. Imagine as of now, invoice underscore date, column having no missing value. Column having no missing values. Thank God, no missing value. Then imagine column having what, man? Missing column having missing values. That too, it is date time values, man. What value is actually date time values? Then replace with what? Fill with NAT. Fill with what exactly, man? NAT. Fill with NAT. If you are still asking what is NAT, my answer will be do revision. What is my answer? Do revision actually. Do revision, right? What is NAT? Not a time. Good. We are good to go. So no missing value. That's what directly we are proceeding actually. Are you clear, Sarji? Yeah, move on. Online team, I hope you are getting. Oh, did I stop camera? Ape kada? Why these many tabs, Daniel? Sorry, let's close this all. Close this one. Close this, not required. Fine, here we go. We are good to go. Very nice, man. We done these all. Yeah, all date values formatted actually. All date values what, man? Formatted. Can I continue? Can I ask one question? Daniel, you can ask. What is this? One more time. Function calling assigning into variable y written in the backend. Any idea what is the syntax? Positional argument. What is the syntax? Can I say the name? No. What is error? Type error. What is the description? Unexpected keyword. That's a flow. A flow gurtundali meeku. Okay. What is the dtypes? What is the sum? Method. What is the sort underscore values? Method. What is the is null? What is ascending? That's it, man. ఇవన్నీ గుర్తుండాలి. ఫండమెంటల్స్. కెన్ ఐ టెల్ యూ, ఐ మేడ్ యూ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇన్ ఫండమెంటల్. ఫస్ట్ నేను ఫండమెంటల్స్ లో మిమ్మల్ని స్ట్రాంగ్ చేశాను. దెన్ నౌ యు ఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్ ద గేమ్. దట్ షుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ బీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇన్ ఫండమెంటల్, మ్యాన్. పిల్లర్స్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు యూ కెన్ బిల్డ్ 10 floors 5 floors. ఐ మీన్ టు సే, మీకు ఒక విషయం అర్థం కావట్లేదు. లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ గైస్ ఆర్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ వన్ పాయింట్. ఎయిదర్ యూ బిలీవ్ ఆర్ నాట్, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ క్రాస్ వెరిఫై. Many working professionals, I'm talking about not generally, many working professionals, many other students, when I say other, not Daniel student actually, I no need to talk actually, many other students, still they are in confusion. What kind of confusion, they are unable to recognize the difference between function and method actually. Please make a note. మీరు నమ్మరు ఈ విషయం. మీరు కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత కానీ అప్పుడు మీకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ ఆల్సో స్టిల్ దే ఆర్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ విత్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మీన్ ఫంక్షన్ అండ్ మెథడ్. లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ, రిటర్న్ కీవర్డ్ నో బడీ నెవర్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్లారిటీ. అంటే వర్క్ చేసే వాళ్ళకి కానీ స్టూడెంట్. డెనిల్, హౌ ఐ యూస్ టు సరౌండెడ్ విత్ వర్కింగ్ పీపుల్ యాక్చువల్. జస్ట్ సింప్లీ బ్లైండ్లీ they can copy paste from ChatGPT, they can move on with actual. But why the code written, they are not aware. Frankly speaking, this is the 100% truth actual. But I'm sure, Chapan sir, right, what is function, what is method actual? You should aware actual. Please make it. Next one, keyword arguments also, man. What exactly? Keyword arguments also important. These are all topics: function, method, return, keyword argument. Next one will be class actually. Next one is what exactly, man? Class. If you know these topics, man, you can rule the data science. Your data science rule change actually. Okay. Note this point. I'm sorry for pointing others actually. I never point, but you should know the reality. Daniel, can you prove read underscore CSV is a function? I can prove. నేను ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాను. How? Very simple. I hope you already know this. Import pandas as pd, print pd dot read underscore CSV. don't provide parenthesis. This is the way we can prove. Nobody knows. ఇలా ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు అని కూడా చాలా మంది తెలియదు. Yes, exactly. It is a function. That's it. No further discussion. Can you prove upper is a method? Can you prove what, Saji? Upper is a method. S equals to, hello? Print of S dot upper. First one is function. Next one is built-in method. Where exactly? String class. Like this you need to be understand. Anyway, these are all fundamentals. If you are strong in your foundation actually, trust me, you will become very strong actually. It's okay. We can move on. Where are we? We done this, Daniel. What I can do, Oh, such a nice operation, man. Such a great actually. We are going to apply. There is a column name is a description. Chapter sir, there is a column name is a as of now, what we done, simple, we just converted from object to data type. We didn't apply any operation. As of now, we are not processing that column actually. We are going to process later. What do you mean by process? I wanted to capture only year. You know how to capture. I will not ask question, don't worry. I wanted to capture only month. I wanted to capture only day, hour, minute. We can capture actually. Are you getting? Good. Now let us just try to focus on column. Column name is a description. What is the column name, Sarji? Description. Yeah, let me just try to access the column. Now we are very closely working with the description column. It's a right term. Working with description column. Yeah. First, let's just try to access that column. Accessing a column. Accessing column. Sir, unfortunately, even I will tell you the reason. Unfortunately, first of all, total how many values? 5,40,000 values. All are uppercase values. All are what, man? Let me tell you, uppercase you should not use once you join in a company. Imagine, so you wanted to text to the manager. Best example, this one is a chart actually, Daniel. The next one is this one is a Ramesh. I wanted to say hi, good morning actually. Hi, good morning to whom, Ramesh actually. This is the bad practice. What do you mean by that, You should not make it like this actually. Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning actually. You know what? Uppercase back end, there is a one meaning actually. If it is uppercase, especially bold letter, that is a very serious statement actually. What exactly, man? Anta meaning unnadu. Very serious statement. You should not skip this one. They will make it like uppercase actually. Here, first of all, go back to the Amazon. Description column. All products description is what exactly? Uppercase. First of all, it should not be uppercase, but we got uppercase. In between, some changes happen. In between, some changes what mean? Happen actually. Imagine this one is a data. This one is a data. This one is a data. This one is a data science team. This one is a data science team actually. Data science team. In between data and data science team, there is a one more team. That team name is called as a ETL guys actually. ETL team. That is not our task actually. Before us, what they will do, they will access the data. They will do small modifications. Then they will give the data. That data we are trying to accessing. Here some changes happen. I will cover this one anyway later actually. Project architecture discussion. What discussion? Project architecture. Repeating again. Data. In real time data we never access directly. In between there is one more team. Team name is called as a ETL. Extract, transform, load. ELT, ETL, anything you can say actually. This team will load the data. They will do some small modifications actually. Then they will store the data in some location. That data we are loading actually. Conclusion of the story, we are not accessing direct source point. In between, somebody modified actually, client has given that data. Anyway, these guys made it like uppercase. These guys made it like what, man? Daniel, can I convert into lowercase? We can do this. We can do it. Come again. Dot. Yeah, very good actually. Very nice. Then df of converting from lowercase to uppercase. Nice analysis. Converting from lowercase to uppercase. Lower case to uppercase. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Uppercase to. Please, don't scold me. I have a family. Yes. Lower case. Good. Let's just try to access this. Ayyo. df of. While accessing column, column name should be match. Otherwise, can we check actually? అసలు మన నాలెడ్జ్ చెక్ చేద్దామా? You're right. Very good actually. Key error. No chocolate, I'm sorry. Now you can just try to copy this and you can run this. Your access is single column. Now, can I apply directly upper? No. Attribute error. What error? Attribute error.
str.upper.
Understand. Now, in between, there is one bridge. Bridge name is called as str. Now, all values converted into lowercase. Yeah, I'm sorry. All values converted into lowercase actually. Wow. Such a seriously amazing man. Previously, lower method we applied on one string, but now we applied on, oh my god, 5,41 plus strings we applied actually. That is not a joke.
Seriously,
That to fraction of seconds, either you observed or not actually. Yeah, ఒక blink లో అయిపోయింది రిజల్ట్ మొత్తం కూడా. Amazing man. That's the beauty with the coding. That's the beauty actually. Did you understand? See, we just applied operation, but we didn't attach this result to the existing data frame. We need to attach this result to the existing data frame. Then Daniel, what to do? LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RH. Left hand side df of description. Right hand side this operation. I believe you understand. I believe you understand actually. మీకు అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నా. First of all, can I confirm? Okay, hold on. Let me confirm actually. If after you converted, if you want, you can check again actually head method. Just try to say still capital letters only. It is not applied. Then I want you to apply. What to do? LHS equals to RHS. Chappan sir. LHS equals to RH. What do you mean by that? Left hand side, take the column. Left hand side, take the column. Right hand side, take the operation. That's it then. Ayo, RA boss. What is LHS RS? Can I ask a question? Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, two scenarios. If column name is new column will be created, but column name is already existing. Old values will be this one is a old values will be replaced with this operation. What operation? Check the result. Point to point mirror. Wow, done man. Your task is done. Daniel, I don't want lower case. Can I apply title case? Anna, up to you. Title case means what exactly? No,
Only
from every
every comma
let's just to run this.
The sentences can
So
be
from every word, first letter is uppercase.
yeah.
From every word, first letter is what, sir? That is called as a title case. That is called as a title case. Move on. So I need to capture this code. I need to move on. I need to apply title case up to you. str is an attribute. Where it is available? Inside series it is available. Repeating again, str is an attribute. str is a string in Python. str is a attribute in pandas series actually. str is what exactly mean? Attribute. Do you wanted to see? Yeah, Daniel. dir of you can pass this one, you will get as a result. You will get as what mean? Result. Make ardhaminda? Move on. Oh, we change it, right? After changing, did I check the data type actually? Check cheyaledu kada. Let me check actually. Check cheyali kada. Confirmation undali kada manaki. df dot d types. Yes, man. Converted actually. Previously, what is the data type? Object. Now, what is the data type? Date time, data type. We done this. str is required. If you are calling from here to here, you will get string methods object. What methods object? String methods object. Yeah, we converted actually. Oh, now we are moving on, sir. Very important. Now, Daniel, I wanted to handle the missing value. I wanted to handle what? Missing value. Previously, we came across so and so missing values would have, right? Can we just try to go back, recall the missing values discussion? Can we recall? Why? Because we are going to handle recall the missing values discussion. Actually, discussion. Kindly please recall what kind of code I need to write. Actually, df of or df dot is a method. I'm sorry. Some method is null is a works in a both ways, sir. Sort underscore values ascending equals to false. Let's run this. Either run cheddam chudandi in one shot. Actually, perfect. We got it. Am I right? We got it. Yeah, Daniel, we got it. But let me tell you, it's a right time. We need to handle missing value. We need to right time handle missing values. Missing what exactly? Values. First of all, we need to check the reasons. Find the reasons. Find the reasons why missing value. Asal missing values enduku vachindi? Missing values, why we got it actually. Go back the first one. I'm talking about the description. Having missing value. Let me tell you the reason. Generally, whenever you're uploading any product in Amazon, actually, so imagine description is optional. Description is what, man? If description is optional, if description is what exactly, man? Optional, then backend value is none. Backend value is what, man? None. None vastundi. I mean to say, yes, sorry, none actually. Go back to any online application. Imagine you have opened matrimony application. You know matrimony? Marriage application actually. You can apply after job. There are some different fields. First name, last name, middle name. Chappan sir. First name, last name, middle. Daniel, how you know? I know actually. There are only few members having first name and last name. There are only few members having middle name. Either first name or last name is mandatory. If you are leaving middle name, first of all, no star symbol. No star symbol indicates to optional. Ante kada. If you are leaving that field, backend value goes to null. Backend value goes to null. Also called as a none. Also called as what, man? I hope you got a clarity. Good. This way have a clarity. Client will explain. Now the next one. Who is missing, man? Ever miss outunnaru inka? Customer ID. Sir, this is not a joke actually. Customer ID column having that two more customers actually. What exactly mean? More customers. Now you are asking a question, why customer details are missing? Customer details are what exactly mean? Details are missing actually. Now this might be answer from client side actually. Client side answer. This might be answer. Those are all reputed customers. Those are all what, man? Reputed customer. Otherwise, I wanted to mask those customers actually. Otherwise, I wanted to block those customers. There are certain reasons. Let me tell you one by one. Reputed customers. Imagine there is a data. Yesterday, did I explain? What is my client actually? Cisco. What is my payroll company? Good. I am working in a Cisco. First of all, I am a contract employee. Cisco don't want to give all data, especially reputed customer details actually. What they will do, intentionally they will delete. Doesn't remember. Intentionally they will delete. They will tell directly, we masked actually. Then there is no counter question again from our side. Why masked actually? మనం counter question చేయకూడదు. Why? Because client is telling, our boss actually. Then we need to create a mail. There is a team meeting in between us. I came across there are missing value. The discussion is client is masking the missing value for customer ID. I am proceeding the task. You need to drop a mail. Otherwise, there is a ticket actually. In that ticket, you need to specify all these points. Then we need to proceed actually. Imagine you didn't write like this actually. At last project end, client will think like, all customers are 5 lakhs. But customers are 1 lakh is missing. What is missing? 1 lakh. Client will ask, why? What happened? About 1 lakh customers actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Client assumption is client shared all details, but you have to remind them. No, you didn't share everything. There are some customers having missing values actually. Reason number 1, reputed customers they will miss. Reason number 2, mask those customers. Reason number 3, can you tell me? Block. They blocked actually. What do you mean by blocking? Let me tell you. Imagine in meeku question cheptanu chudanu. Imagine this is Daniel, Rajesh. Think like I'm Amazon CEO, and this one is Rajesh's something like a Flipkart CEO. Just imagine, Flipkart CEO. Otherwise, there is a customer. Rajesh is a customer for Flipkart actually. Flipkart. So the point is, let me tell you, he got angry. Can I talk with Amazon.in actually? He got angry on Amazon. On what exactly, man? Amazon. You know what? If you got angry in Amazon, he can do small little technical headache actually. He may become technical headache actually. What is a technical headache? You know, almost he choosing the products. He choosing what exactly? Products. Now he is ready to pay payment actually. Ready to pay money. Almost to checkout page actually. What page, man? Checkout page. He have selected the credit card actually. He have selected what exactly, man? Credit card. He is supposed to enter valid details, but he entered invalid details and he cancelled actually. Because of his cancel, there is one record created in Amazon database actually. Product cancel. Product what exactly, man? Cancelled actually. In DB, details are available. DB what exactly, man? Details are available. Man, this is real time. Like this, just for fun he done actually. Just for what? He done like this 1000 transactions. ఇలా ఒక 1000 transactions చేసాడు అనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుందో తెలుసా? Indirectly he is taking revenge actually. మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకో. Are you with me? Why? Because you know, he won't like Amazon, but he wanted to, he got an angry. Then what he can do? He can open a checkout page actually. Endu sir, you can just have to go back to the Amazon. You can order product actually. You can choose COS, cash on delivery. I'm sorry, you guys are very good. Cash on delivery actually. You can apply 2 to 3 times. You can cancel. 4th time they will block that option. Do you know that actually? Why? Because every time you are applying, delivery time you are cancelling. You are not receiving the product. First to check actually. Second time also you ordered product, cash on delivery. You are not taking the product. Second check, back end there is a flag actually. Third time they will observe 3 to 4 times. 5th time onwards they will block that option actually. Do you know this? We'll try cheyaleda. Try actually. So something like this. There are some customers I wanted to block them intentionally. They will make as a missing values. They will make it as what exactly? Oh my god, 1048. Okay. First of all, did you understand the reason? There is a meeting actually. Sir, this is something like if person missing, that family they will start searching actually. They will start what exactly, man? Same thing like that. If values are missing, we need to search the reason. We need to identify the reason actually. Okay. Client discussion. We need to perform what exactly, man? We need to drop one small mail, or else we need to comment actually so and so values are missing. No, I'm proceeding from here. I hope we both already know. Let us take a handshake actually. Handshake in the sense that's okay. We can proceed actually. Now move on. What we are applying, any idea? One more time. Where are, I hope drop in A. Where are all missing values would we have? We are going to drop. That too, can I tell you one small beauty actually? At least one missing values is available. That row will be drop actually. Delete. Sir, this operation we are assigning into new variable. What variable? Here onwards, 2 objects in our hand. This one is a old object. This one is a new object. Old object still in our hand, we have a data with missing value. New object in our hand, data without missing value. Hey Daniel, why separately? Suddenly when you are working, moving on, your lead will come and your lead will ask actually, show me the old data. Show me. Then you have to display DF. Unfortunately here, if you apply in place, what happen, old values will be replaced with new value. That's it. Gone case actually. Gone case. Anyway, this I will highlight in the next week actually. Are you getting first of all? Interesting unda? Yeah, good. Move on. So fine. We done today's session. Online team, I believe you understand actually. Can I get a response?